Hi everybody, it's Captain Canadad. Welcome to the video that I'm doing today. Out on a bit of a nature walk, trying to get some exercise. Look at the things that you see here in Ontario, just while you're out walking. Lots of people out walking their dogs, us not excluded. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today. What is it, 18 right now, Heidi? 15? 16. It's like an auction in reverse here. So beautiful out. Look at the rock formations here. This is the Niagara Escarpment. Part of it anyway. My wife just got mugged by a leaf. She tends to get attacked by squirrels.
Yes, I was.
Throwing things at her. Yikes. Throwing things at her from trees like baby squirrels.
Oh. Hold on. Come on.
Lots of people out enjoying the weather. People on bikes. Waterfalls galore. Pumpkins. Dead pumpkins. This is Highway 403 in all its splendor. Out there, that's the continuation of the escarpment. There's the university and hospital. Ow! There's me getting down off the top of a rock. Look at the rock face. Of course, people sprayed on it because it isn't beautiful enough without a bit of spray paint on it. Assholes! All the trees are changing color. It's what, November 9th today? 8? 7? Something like that? You wouldn't think it looking at it. That's the class of 21, or maybe that's the year he dies, with any luck. Look at it, how beautiful it is here. Very nice. Look at the hill. Trail going that way with the sun. This way. Whoa, come back, Luna. Crazy animal. Baseball diamonds. What do you say? It's a Captain Canada video. Look, I don't even know what that is. But it's red. Great to see you, buddy.
Good, how are you?
Good. How you doing, man? Long time no see.
I know.
So, we're walking down the trails, and you never know what you're going to see. And look what I ran into. Steve, what do we used to call you? Steve Bobo Gilbert. Looking good, buddy. You got hair back?
A little bit.
Yeah, right on. I'm just doing a video for the
nice.
YouTube thing. Have you seen it at all
I
yet?
have.
Yeah.
I've seen several of them.
I'm going to pause this so I can catch Oh, that was Steve Gilbert. Brief visit. Haven't seen the guy in a number of years. Great to see him. He's always been a very good friend. A great guy. See if I can maybe hook up an interview with him so that I can introduce you folks that don't know him. But maybe some of you that do, it'd be good for you to catch up and see what he's been up to. Anyway, we're pretty much done walking the dog. Wasn't as long as I was expecting. Look at this. Look at her, chewing on grass. She's part cattle dog. Look at the field over there. It's beautiful. My wife just took responsibility away from me. I love it. What a beautiful day. And what a great day it was, too, meeting Steve. Well, not meeting him, seeing again after all these years. I didn't even recognize him. Had I recognized him, I wouldn't have let him pet the dog. But no, I'm just kidding. Anyway, we've gone and had a great walk, had a bit of fun, met some old friends. And if I could suggest anything to anybody, especially today because it's so beautiful, get outside, get some fresh air in your lungs, and go do something great.